G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're reviewing the VUP Sports Armband. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Now this does sell on Amazon for $13, that's 13 Australian dollars, so anywhere else in the world you're going to get it a lot cheaper. Definitely links down below if you want to pick one up. That's $13 with Amazon Prime, so you're going to get it within a couple of days at the most. Now the first thing we're going to cover while looking at the armband is some of the specs on it. Now this is made for cycling, running, jogging, that sort of thing. Pretty much any sort of physical activity you would be able to do while using this armband. Now, it is made from polyurethane, polycarbonate and silicone. I think the outside of the armband is the polyurethane, and I think the part that holds the device in place is your polycarbonate, and then I believe it's the silicone on the inside of the armband. So, but like I said, not too sure, but they are the three materials this is made of. Now, some of the specs on the back here, or key features, it says it's quality universal sports armband for smartphones, and it should be able to fit pretty much any size smartphone into it. I have used the Galaxy S7, the Galaxy Note 9 and the iPhone XS in this device, and yes, it does work with all of them. It has a section for holding your key while you're running. It has another section for holding your cable for your headphones whilst running. Most of us are using Bluetooth headphones these days, but you can tuck your cable in nicely into the little pocket on the side of this as well. And it has two little slots in the armband for different sized arms. And it should fit everyone. Now it also has a 180-degree rotating little swivel inside of it, so you can switch it around, turn it around to face you as you're running, whatever suits your running style or wherever you like the armband located on your arm. You'll be able to swivel the phone around so that you can have easy access to it, and it's more viewable. With the little key holder, the key does fit in nicely. As you can see, it just slots in to the right place, and you can just fold the lip over the key as well at the top, but it's not 100% secure. However, it didn't run out while I was using it. Now, it was not uncomfortable to use while I was running. It sat there on my arm in the right place, but it did feel bulky. Now, after running, say, a couple of Ks, it did start to slip down my arm a little bit, and I did have to pull it back up. And making it tighter didn't change that. It was just the force of the running and gravity. It pulled it down my arm as I was running. So I did have to just drag it up a little bit a couple of times. But other than that, like I said, it wasn't uncomfortable, and it was easy to wear and easy to put on. One thing I would definitely recommend is that you put your phone into the armband before you start running, because it is awkward as anything to try and get this thing in while you're holding it one-handed. So definitely put it in before you start running. Use two hands and it goes in really easily. But if you're trying to do it one-handed while you're walking down the street, it's so fiddly and you're probably going to drop your phone. All in all, for $13, this is a great little product. Maybe you could grab one for someone who's just getting into running. Definitely a product I'd be happy to use myself. I have been using it. I'll continue using it. Like I said, if you do want to pick one up, links down below. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.